So, welcome back, beekeepers. We have a really late September swarm. Actually, I believe it's September 28th in southwest Florida here. And we'll get up there and trim around those branches and carry those over and put them in the apiary. Let's go ahead and get started. Clean it up so we can carry it easy. So I've handed off the camera to the wife, and we're just going to walk them over to the apiary. Okay, got the wife holding the bees till I get the cameras fixed here. Okay. Now we're going to set them on top of the box we got over here. And we're just going to watch them go down into the box. Continue watching them. And I'm going to trim away some more of the brush around them. Being careful not to injure a bee. Eventually the queen will decide to go down in there and they'll follow her because it's dark. I'm going to show you all this. We've already started to make a little bit of a comb. And it looks like they're finding their way down into the box itself. Yeah, they're finding their way down. So as you can see, a lot of them have gone in. They seem to be hanging out on this frame right here. And a few on the side here. A few up there. We're going to go ahead and put the inner cover on. It's hot outside, so the notch is up. See that one with the bud in there? This one here, that's indicating the queen is down in there. They're trying to send that pheromone to tell the other bees this is our new home. So thank you for watching this video, and please hit subscribe. Have a great day.